In this video, you'll learn about LevelBlue DDoS Defense Service Contact Management and how the company administrator adds a new contact. Contacts are notified in the event of a DDoS attack, so it's important to keep the contacts list up to date and accurate. To view your contacts list, select Admin from the DDoS Defense portal. You can edit or delete a contact using the icons on the right. Adding a new contact is a two-step process. First, the company administrator needs to create an account for a user in the Business Center. Second, to get access to the DDoS Defense portal, the user needs to be added as a contact under the Admin tab using their Business Direct ID. Note that for non-Business Center users who need to receive email notifications, such as your SOC or NOC team inbox, please submit a Policy Management MACD ticket to have their email addresses added for distribution. In this scenario, our contact already has a Business Center account. To add a new contact, select Add Contact and enter the contact's User Direct Business ID. Then enter the required information. If a DDoS Defense portal user wants to receive alerts and mitigation email messages, select Send Notifications. When you're done, remember to select Save. You can receive 5 different types of DDoS alert emails. A high-severity alert email indicates a shift in traffic and that an investigation has begun. This is not a DDoS attack notification. An email is generated when you begin DDoS mitigation. It includes a list of mitigated IP addresses. A done email is sent when excessive traffic subsides and levels return to normal. Daily emails remind you of an ongoing DDoS mitigation, and a stop email lets you know when DDoS mitigation ends. And that's it. For more LevelBlue cybersecurity information and videos, go to levelblue.com. Thanks for watching.